ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Science and everyday life cannot and should not be separated by Rosalind Franklin. This shows the importance of science in day-to-day life. With this, I'm going to welcome all of you to this a special workshop on taxidermy. A warm and pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Respected chief guest of the day, resource person, principal, teachers and most beloved students. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to the workshop. In his absence, we welcome the Chief Patron and Honorable Chairman, College Development Council, Shri B.K. Sangameshwara, MLA, Bhadravati. On this special event, we are extremely happy to have amid us an eminent IFS officer, Shri Ashish Reddy, MV. Due to his busy schedule, he is unable to attend the same. In his place, we have Srimati Ratna Prabha, Assistant Conservator of Forest, Bhadravati. On behalf of our college, I extend a hearty welcome to you, Madam. I would like to welcome the keynote speaker of the workshop, Mr. Naveen Patimani, taxidermist, Zoology Museum, Department of Zoology, Karnataka Science College, Dharwada, who is going to give presentation on taxidermy in the morning session and demonstration in the afternoon session. We welcome you, sir. The one who acts as a pillar of support and strength with a clear vision and passion, entwined with novelty in all the activities of the college, is our principal, Professor Dr. Raghunatha H.S. Let me welcome you, sir. It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome teaching faculties, research scholars, and students from various universities and colleges all over the state. Welcome you all. All enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. But there is an exception called ribozymes. One such ribozyme is our organizing secretary and convener of the workshop, Professor B. Vasant Kumar, who is exceptionally catalytic in organizing this event with a short span of time. He is an enthusiastic zoologist. He eats zoology, but he is not a vegetarian. Sorry, he is not a non-vegetarian. He drinks zoology. I don't know his capacity, and he breathes zoology all the time. He is the best supporter of all the challenging ventures taken by our institution. I cordially welcome to you also to this great initiative, sir. It's my pleasure to bid a genial welcome to all fellow colleagues, Dr. Shilpa GM, co-convener of the workshop and IPSC co-coordinator, Dr. Yuresh Naik, Dr. Ranjini, Dr. Pratima Mathais, Dr. Arsaya, Dr. Ganesh Achari, Sri Raghavendra, Sri Somshekar, Sri Muhammad Ajmal, Sri Kiran, Sri Manjunatha HR, Sri Manjunatha CP, Dr. Shoaib Ahmad, Srimati Chitralekha, Srimati Maunesh Ashok Kamara, Dr. Anil Kumar, Sri Siddheshwara Shastri, Sri Abhishek AC, and all teaching and non-teaching staff. Welcome you all. A very warm welcome to a media person from both print and electronic media. The superheroes of today, the future of country, the expectations of our college, that is our students. A hearty welcome to you, my dear students, to this event. Group effort, ability to unite towards a common goal, hard work and dedication, doing small things with great love and fun. These are the true ingredients behind the success of a good institution. We believe together we achieve more. Once again, welcoming everyone to this workshop. Let me welcome. Thank you all.